When it comes to circular saws, precision and power are paramount. Whether you're a professional tradesperson or a DIY enthusiast, having the best circular saw can make a world of difference in your woodworking projects. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best circular saws you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Presenting the Festool TSV60K, a game-changer in the world of circular saws, now ranked as the number 5 best circular saw. Prepare to be swept away by its unmatched precision and splinter-free sawing capabilities right from the first cut. Picture this: flawlessly smooth cuts on both sides of your workpiece thanks to the built-in scoring function. No more worries about unsightly splinters marring your projects. Safety is paramount, and the TSV60K includes the innovative kickback stop, ensuring both you and your workpiece remain protected from dangerous kickbacks. Crafted for versatility, this saw offers a 60mm cutting depth and seamless compatibility with Festool system accessories, making precision work a breeze, even on the go. Be it a workshop or construction site, the TSV60K replicates the quality of a stationary machine. With a diamond-scoring saw blade for enduring performance, the TSV60K is the tool you've been dreaming of. It's a sawing system that delivers impeccable panel cutting, prevents kickbacks, and empowers you to create with confidence. Priced at $999. Meet the DEWALT Flexvolt 60V Max, a game-changer in the world of cordless tools. This innovation takes power to the next level, with a battery that adapts its voltage to match your tools. It's a revolution that will make your work easier and more efficient. Imagine a battery that seamlessly switches between 2 voltages, enhancing the runtime of your DEWALT 20V Max tools. No need to invest in a new system. And it doesn't stop there. This battery brings the power of corded tools to the realm of cordless with the 60V Max and 120V Max DEWALT tools, transforming your job site experience. What's even more incredible is its backward compatibility, offering up to 4 times the runtime on 20V Max tools. This single battery opens doors to a whole new world of DEWALT tools. The Flexvolt 60V Max is the future of power, and at just $399, it's a small price to pay for a revolutionary shift in how you work. Get ready to change the way things get done. The Skil SPT77W ML22 is the embodiment of precision and power in the world of circular saws. It's not just a tool, it's a craftsman's trusted companion. Imagine the weight of the Skil saw, so light due to its magnesium construction that it feels like an extension of your arm. This 15, a saw is a workhorse that slashes through materials effortlessly. It's designed for craftsmen who understand the value of time, with its quick, accurate depth measurements and a 53-degree bevel for versatile cuts. But it's not just about power, it's about endurance too. The durable magnesium foot can withstand the harshest job site abuse, and the oil-lubricated warm drive gears ensure longevity. With a soft grip handle for comfort and control, it's more than a saw. It's a partner that understands your needs. Priced at $243, it's worth every penny for its incredible features. When you hold the Skil SPT77W ML22, you're not just holding a tool, you're holding craftsmanship, precision, and trust. Introducing the Rockwell Versacut 4.0 amp ultra-compact circular saw, the crown jewel of circular saws. It's not just a tool, it's a symphony of power and precision, designed to elevate your DIY projects to new heights. This circular saw boasts a potent 4.0 amp motor that effortlessly slices through a myriad of materials: wood, tile, sheet metal, plastics, and more. Its ergonomic design, featuring a slim grip handle, transforms your hand into a master of control, allowing you to guide it with grace. But here's the piece de resistance: a built-in laser guide that paints a path of perfection, ensuring each cut aligns flawlessly. Safety: check. The pivoting metal guard facilitates easy plunge cuts while the dust extraction adapter keeps your workspace pristine. Every dollar spent on this circular saw is an investment in your craft. Experience power, precision, and passion, all in one compact marvel. Priced at a mere $100, it's a steal. Experience the Bosch GS18V, the reigning champion of circular saws. It's a symphony of power and precision, offering pro-factor performance that rivals corded saws. With a 2:1/2-inch cut capacity, it dances through 2x material effortlessly, making every cut a masterpiece. But wait, there's more! The Eco mode, like a conductor, extends your runtime by up to 30%, ensuring your project reaches its crescendo without interruption. Thanks to biturbo brushless technology, this saw boasts a high-performance motor and drivetrain system, harmonizing perfectly with Core 18V high-power 8Ah battery, providing 2 times more runtime than the GBA 18V40. This Bosch masterpiece, with its enhanced 21,700 cell technology and Bosch exclusive CoolPack 2.0 technology, keeps your tool cool under pressure. The price, a mere $449, is a small investment for the symphony of craftsmanship and power you'll wield. That just finished our video. Which one is your favorite? Why not let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed the video, give us a like. If you want to see more high-quality videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and you'll get the latest videos straight to your mailbox. That way, you'll never miss a future upload. See you in the next video.